love dinosaurs!
Do you love dinosaurs?
What? Then let's go and explore! Whoa!
And head back to the land of the dinosaur!
I'm Harriet!
And I'm Ayo!
And this is Dino Club! Wow, Ayo, look! We've landed right next to an Ankylosaurus.
What a bizarre-looking creature. Let me check where we are. The dino device says we're in North America during the Cretaceous period.
Look, he's having a scratch.
It must be hard to get to an itch when you're covered in armoured plating. He looks so tough. Surely nothing could hurt him.
He'd make a perfect dino bodyguard. Let's follow him.
OK. Time to see who's on the dino trail and who's in the dino den.
Great, it's a trail for me. Activating dino cobs.
And I'll get the den ready. Let's go. Downloading dino fact files. Prehistoric projector on. Dino den ready. What's the Ankylosaurus doing, Harriet?
He's leaving the forest. Hey, where are you off to? When he walks, his armour looks so impressive. He looks like a mini tank.
Harriet, the dino fact file says that Ankylosaurus means fused lizard because the bones in its skull and body are stuck together.
The perfect dinosaur if you want protection. I think he's thirsty. But how did he know there was water here from all the way back in the forest?
It might have something to do with his sense of smell. Smell was one of Ankylosaurus's best senses. They used it to find food and water. Are you ready for a mind-blowing fact? The air passages inside of Ankylosaurus's nose were all twisty. Like this straw, only theirs were almost a metre long. And just like liquid in a straw, it let cool air flow around Ankylosaurus's big head, which may have stopped its brain from getting too hot. Clever. Harriet, has the Ankylosaurus finished its drink yet?
Yes, and he's on the move again. Hang on, I can hear footsteps back in the forest. I'm going to go check it out. Whoa! It's a family of T-Rexes. I better engage safety mode. Now the dinos can't see me. That youngster looks like he's up to mischief. It's heading for the Ankylosaurus. With his suit of armour, I don't think our Ankylosaurus is in any danger from a T-Rex this small. It's still a nuisance, though. Ooh, ouch! Looks like the Ankylosaurus has had enough of this playful T-Rex. It's using its club tail to tell it to buzz off.
The dino fact file says that the impact force of that tail club was 1.5 tons. That's like being sat on by a hippo. And that club on the end of its tail was certainly a brilliant weapon against giant meat-eating dinosaurs. It could be 2 meters across, as long as a grand piano. And some experts think the large club may have soaked up the heat of the sun to keep the Ankylosaurus warm.
He's not using his tail now, Ayo. He's more focused on his tummy. Ooh, berries. They look delicious. He must know these are safe to eat. I don't think I'll try them, though. Oh, hello, little guy. It's a Pachycephalosaurus. Do you want some berries? Wait! He's being chased by some other dinosaurs.
Those carnivorous meat-eating dinosaurs.
I'm glad I've got safety mode on. The Pachycephalosaurus is using the Ankylosaurus as protection. That's cunning. Oops! He sat down on the Troodon. It looks like the Ankylosaurus makes a great bodyguard, the perfect shelter for small dinosaurs.
Quick, Harriet. You better get back for tea now.
On my way, and I've got myself a lift. That was incredible.
Let's do our fave facts.
Ankylosaurus were the armoured tanks of the dinosaur world.
They swung their giant tail club like a weapon.
Small dinosaurs could have used their armoured bodies as protection.
Wow, that is one tough dino.
See you later, Ankylosaurus.
Whoa,
Yuck.
that's a lot of dino snot.
Let's get out of here.
See you next time, dino fans.